going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. It is that time of the month where I give you the top 8 penny stocks to watch out for May. So I've spent the past few hours researching those stocks for you guys and just analyzing them, just for the people who are new to this. Just like I said, guys, after every video I have to explain why we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks. So we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks, just like you know, guys, is that we can predict the exact date they will move up in value, because just like any stock, just like any cryptocurrency, good news and bad news will influence the stock to go up in value. So penny stocks don't have revenue, penny stocks don't have products, especially biopharma penny stocks or pharmaceutical penny stocks. They're in the development stage. Okay, and investors are piling on to these stocks, hoping obviously to get more returns in the future, hoping that these stocks will become the next Pfizer, the next, you know, big companies, big drug developers. So that is why these investors are piling on to these penny stocks. But then when a stock fails, the drug that is said it was going to develop, basically investors are going to pull out from the market. They're going to pull out from that stock. They're going to sell all of their shares because they're not, you know, the purpose of the company has failed. However, if the stock comes out with a positive result, or the company comes out with a positive result, then it's going to spike in value. So some of you, I think I jumped ahead. What is a positive result? Or a negative result? So these basically stocks have to develop a trial. They have to come out and, you know, test the drug to see if it works in order to have it FDA approved. If it shows in the study or the test that basically this product is going to work, it's going to cure that disease, then it's going to come out and release an article saying that this trial has succeeded. It came out positive. If it fails, the trial fails, that means that basically the drug did not cure that disease, then they're going to come out and say that we failed the purpose, basically came out negative. So what's going to happen here, on the day they release that article, traders and investors are going to either sell or pile on. Obviously, when you sell your shares or short a stock, it's going to go down in value, right? But when it comes out positive, what's going to happen? Investors are going to pile on, traders are going to pile on, and they're going to buy in, right? Because now they're a step away from having FDA approved product. They're a step away from becoming a profitable business. Alright, just to explain that to you. I know I explained it in many of my videos, but just to explain that to you one more. I'm going to give you the top 8 penny stocks to watch out for May in the coming days. Just remember, guys, on those days, you will either have a trial coming out positive, or basically guidance, which is just a statement from CEO to say, yeah, you know, this is working so far, but it might not be the full thing, right? So without further ado, just let us begin with those 8 penny stocks. Oh, and by the way, if you enjoyed this video, if you find value by the end, and if you don't understand what I'm saying here, go watch the rest of the penny stocks videos so you can understand why we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks and how to get in and out. And by the way, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on good, honest videos. So the first stock is SIGA May 1st, okay, trading at $6, right? So it's a penny stock, okay? What do we mean when we say penny stock? We mean stocks that don't have anything, don't have revenue, don't have products. That's what we mean. It doesn't matter how much the price is, all right? So they're releasing something. Basically, there's a meeting going on. It's the advisory committee meeting, and that's going to be May 1st. It's trading at $6. So if you want, you can listen to that meeting. Go Google that meeting, or just keep an eye on their website to find out the result of the meeting or the highlights of the meeting on the day. AKAO May 2nd, that is trading at $13. Also, MNK May 3rd, $13 something. Also, RXII May 17th, $2.50. GTXI $17. RXII May 18th. By the way, I'll have everything in all these stocks will be in the description, so you don't have to worry about the names. RXII May 18th, trading at $2.64. EBIO May 21st, $2.50. Now, I said RXII twice, right? That is a stock you need to be careful of. Why? Well, let's say they released a positive result on May 17th, right? And the stock will spike in value. You jump in pre-market, okay? you take few profits, but I guarantee you one thing, the stock could pull back at the end of the day or even 5-10 minutes later. Why? Because a day later they're going to have another result, right? Another kind of meeting, and they're going to release something. So investors and traders are going to sell before. They're going to take a bit of profit and they're going to sell to wait for the final meeting on May 18th. Because they don't want to gamble, because what if something comes out negative on May 18th? The stock is going to go down in value, right? So just be careful with that. That's why there's pullbacks. If there is a closer date to something, an earning report or something, traders get in and out. And I've showed you and I've explained to you how we trade them, but I'll give you a little kind of pointers at the end, so watch this till the end. So we said EBIO May 21st, $2.50. KTOV May 31st, $2.40. Okay? So now, how do we trade those? Just like I said, if you have pre-market trading, first of all, you need to find your edge. I've given you everything you need in these videos. Now it's for you to trade. That's it. That's the only way you're going to learn. Nobody's going to trade for you. You get in and get out, right? Even buy 2 shares at the start. Just paper trade them, just to get your edge. And the moment you say, that's it, I've got the hang of it, something else new is going to come up. So you'll never stop learning until you complete your course. Right? And you're only going to do it by trading. Nobody else is going to teach you. So go in with smaller shares. Practice, practice, practice. Don't say, yes, I'm going to jump in with everything because I'm guaranteed, you know, this positive came out, this result came out positive, so I'm going to jump in with everything because I want money now. And then you do that, and then you get wiped out, right? So you're at that stage of developing yourself. You're at that stage of learning. Keep learning, keep failing, keep learning, keep failing, because failure is part of, you know, losing money is part of this game. But you have to keep your losses to a minimum, okay? So calculated loss, calculated risk is what you need to be taking when trading penny stocks. Usually we hold penny stocks for basically an hour, 2 hours, or even at the end of the day, sometimes for 2 days, depending how the result is, how basically the stock is. I know a lot of you guys have made money, but just follow that strategy that I'm giving you here. I'm here to protect you. Oh, and by the way, guys, if anybody approaches you with my email, asking you to send him money or basically contact him, I'd never give my email on YouTube, so that is just another scammer. I've contacted YouTube and they've been very helpful about that. So I just want to protect you guys. Don't give out your email on my the comments, right? I've got my social media accounts, follow those, and sometimes I will reply to these Instagram kind of messages or Twitter messages. I will reply to them, and I appreciate everyone for watching yesterday's video, and I read every comment. You guys are amazing. So I'm here to give back to you. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer everything. But hopefully I answered everything here, guys, and that's all you need. If you have any questions, most of the questions you have, I answered them in my penny stock videos, so go watch everything that I've posted so far. I'll see you again for another.